Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use pitch bend in Makosa Praises. This is a pitch bend, but before we commence, a little demonstration in key of F sharp. Alright, so um that's a pitch bend. Um in case you don't know, this is a pitch bend on the left hand here, the pitch bend wheel. So the pitch bend has it has a great importance in playing. Some people don't use it, but I prefer playing a keyboard with a pitch bend controller. So what the pitch bend does is just to glide the notes from one note to the other. So it can glide. The maximum it can go is I think 12 notes. From it can glide from this to the higher octave. Depends on the setting. In the default setting, it glides 2 semitones. That's from here to here, 2 semitones. That's so it can glide up, it can glide down. So for Makosa praises like this, you want to use the default setting. That's the 2 semitones. You can increase it, depends on you. So alright, so for worship, you would want to use higher semitones, higher notes like 7 or 6, but I'll show you that in another tutorial, how to use the pitch bend in worship, how to spice up the worship with pitch bend controller. Alright, so for this Makosa praise, what you actually need to do, what we are doing, remember the Makosa progression. We are in the key of F sharp. 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. So the groove is is played like this. That's all. Imagine playing it like that. It doesn't sound nice at all. So what we do is to glide the notes. Every note we press, we glide it down and raise it up before moving to the next note. Then the last note you leave it, or you can still, yeah, you can say glide it like that. So just watch my left thumb. See the way it's moving. One thing you need to know about pitch bend is the notes you are picking. when you glide those notes, as much as possible, let it fall on a note that is in the scale. For instance, for this, when we glide it down, it does not fall in this. Doesn't fall in the F sharp major scale. It falls on the minor seven, the flat seven. Sorry. So, but sometimes it goes, but it's best to make sure the pitch bend, when you glide the pitch bend, it falls on a note next to a note in a major scale. For instance, aside this, see this note, it glides down to this note, which is in the scale. Then this note, the 5, it glides down to this note B, which is in the major scale. Then this one glides to the 1, as F sharp. So majority of the notes should fall on the major scale, or the diatonic scale of that particular key, so that it won't sound off. For instance, if you use a key, like if you use, say you want to move from F, you see the way it sounds, then this one still goes because it falls on this. So just try as much as possible to control the pitch bend. Sometimes when you increase the settings of the pitch bend to a higher number, when you glide, it may fall on a note outside the diatonic scale. So I've taught you this first groove. So it's the 1, the 6, 5, 2, 7, 6, 5, 3. For people using other keys, do, la, so, re, then ti, la, so, mi, just like that. Then the other part, the last part, this time around, instead of gliding it down, I'm taking it up. So I'm starting with the 2, glide upwards, then play the 6th and the 4. So re, la, fa, then so next part is the 1, the 7, 5. Let's start again. Then repeat that again. Then the next part is supposed to be re, do. So 1. Sorry, let's start. So then you end with, this time I'm using 2 notes. It's just the chord. It's this chord, the A minor chord, A flat minor chord. So alright, so you can do whatever you want to do. You can you can glide down in some notes, you can glide up in some notes. It all depends on you and what you like. Something like this. So you can go up, you can go down. The reason why I'm using up for this upper part, when the praise is getting hotter, the beginning part of the song, when you see me dance, I dance like you, it's like normal call and response. Then the other part is like it's getting hotter, so I go up. So that's it for today. Make sure you watch other videos. I'll give you a lesson on how to use a pitch pen to spice up your worship soon. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and God bless you. Thank you.